Hi friends. This video I am going to explain about Finfan cooler in oil and gas. What is Finfan cooler? What maintenance in Finfan cooler? What is the troubleshooting doing in Finfan cooler? What is the functional operation of Finfan cooler? So these things I am going to share. So before watching my video, kindly please subscribe my channel and press bell icon so that all my videos notification will come in your inbox. So last two videos I shared in YouTube regarding the shell and type heat exchanger and plate type heat exchanger. So I shared many interview questions. It will be very useful for maintenance as well as operation. So in this video about Finfan cooler, I am going to say what is the API code of Finfan cooler. It is API 661. If you see in all my video, whenever I am sharing about the oil and gas, I start the question from API, American Petroleum Institute, because the code standard sure they will ask in interview. So whatever you are working in FinFan or heat exchanger or plate type heat exchanger or pumps or compressor, gas turbine or steam turbine, please try to know the API code number and what is the code and standards. Please take some information. So this will be very useful to you all. So now we can come to FinFan. So the FinFan API, I told it is a API 661. So what all are the parts in the FinFan? The FinFan will be there and pulley will be there, gearbox will be there, motor will be there and belt will be there and bearings we are using in the FinFan. So deep groove ball bearing, paired angular contact ball bearing, cylinder roller ball bearing. So these all are the bearings we are using in the Finfan. So compare with the plate type heat exchanger, shell and tube, the Finfan cooler have a small difference. So what is the difference means both apart from this Finfan cooler, whatever I explained, both are one static equipment, but here the rotating people will work because it is a rotary motion of the fin fan. So what type of maintenance in fin fan it will come? So mainly this fin fan in Gulf countries, for the cooling we are using this fin fan. It is a hot time hot temperature and the cold time it will come cold temperature. So we need the requirement of air to flow downwards to the upward for cooling of the fin tubes, so that we can adjust the blade angle. Once we adjust the blade angle to increase or decrease of the airflow to the fin coolings, we can provide. So 1 degree leaf we adjusted means that 3 amps it will be reduced. If 1 degree the blade angle is increased means the 3 amps will be increased. And one more thing, this fin fan can run in two mode of operation. One is slow mode of operation and another is fast mode operation. So that we can select the push button. We need for slow mode, slow RPM it will run. When we select the switch on high speed, uh, high RPM it will run. And this is the specialist. And the second thing, alignment is most important. This one, if proper alignment is not in fin fan, the circulation of the fan blade will touch the frame. Also other troubleshooting also is there. In case the bearing burn out, that time also the fan will rotate on the wobbling rotation. Due to the wobbling rotation, the leaf will rub on the fan frame. So troubleshooting is most important here. And this fin fan is giving the natural air downwards, it taking the suction, and upwards it flows the air. In above, the tubes will be there. All the tubes, it is having the fins. So this air will go through the fins, and some pressure drop will be there. Due to the fins, the hold up will be there. After that, it will take the hot air out. So this is the most important. In all interview, FinFan maximum they will ask the question. I hope this session is very useful to you all, and we'll see in next video. And why I'm giving this information means my information, because I worked in power plant, I worked in offshore and onshore. So even instructor job I was doing as a mechanical specialist. I share a lot of information. So even I am going for an interview, or I am also taking interview to the candidate. So whatever the possibility of the interview questions, please collect from this channel and utilize you, so that you will be very highly benefited. Thank you so much. Next video I will see you. Bye.